Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melody Blue, and today I hope everybody had a happy hump day. I'm gonna do a little unboxing here. It's the pastel tone 50 color set, Wrestling Artists, professional quality. And these are supposed to be wax according to their deal. They came in their own case. This was like $13. I got it Cyber Monday and they had a coupon on it. So it was like $13 total. There's 50 of them. Comes in their own case, which is nice. Has a little handle there. So these are pastels. Oh, it comes with its own coloring book too. Nice. Kind of small for my eyes, but it's nice. Anyway, it's just a little... Oops, I do that every time. Well, let's look and see what we got here. Gotta get my glasses. Granny can't see no more. Okay. This is Green Flash. Guess who the maker of these pencils are? Brute Fooner. Now, I love Brute Fooner pencils. I really do. So, we're going to do a little swatching here. I'm just going to put them in order as they are in the case. So, it's Wrestling is the who put it out. Or I'm going to put slash Brute Fooner. Macaron 50. And that was Green Flash. Now, these are, I have the Macaron set by Brute Fooner. These are not the same names. Because I would have remembered a name like that. Very soft. And these are what I would call a true pastel. It's like a pastel of a pastel. If that makes any sense. I hope y'all are seeing this. This is Morning Mist. See, these aren't the same names as the Brute Fooner set that I got, a 50 set. These aren't the same names. So it's a different set. It's Wrestling is the one that put this set out. And, but they're Brute Fooner, and I'm not mad about it. Spring Bouquet. I hope this... Spring Bouquet. I love these colors. Love these names too. But yeah, these aren't the same names as on my other set. My Brute Fooner set. These are totally different. This one is Misty Green. Yeah, these are, I love this. Oh, these are nice. They're soft. They are wax. I hope y'all can see this. I can't see my viewfinder, so this is surf green. Well, like I said, these are true pastels. I mean, it's like a pastel version of pastel. So, if that means anything, it is to me. Well, hello. Everything decides it wants to say hello. This is summer green. I'm just going to keep them in the order that they are in their zipper case. Now, $13, you get 50 pencils, and they come in their own zippered case. That's a bargain to me. This is Irish green. Not being to be not try to be racist. It's the color it says it is, so I love these. The proof will be in the pudding, as they say. When I go to color, this is Celadon. Oh, I hope y'all can see these. Now, I will be coloring something. Probably my blending sheets in this book. This is Cap'n. C-A-P-N apostrophe. Like Captain, but it's the short for it. Okay. That's a name I haven't heard in any pencil set so far. This is a Norse blue. Are we making fun of nationalities now? Sorry to any of the Norse out there. It's just what they named it. Yep. They sure ain't trying to be politically correct, are they? Oh, this is river blue. Every time, guys. Every time. River blue. I hope y'all are seeing this, because I can't see my viewfinder, and I gotta get me a different setup. I'm having to use my phone, but I need to get a different, I need to get something different. Yes, I do. Let's put that up there like that. This is Bel Air blue. I had a Chevy Bel Air that was blue. Back when they made Chevy Bel Airs. And these pencils, they are in here tightly. The case is tight. This is Blue Ice. It's kind of a periwinkle blue? Or a mix between periwinkle and purple? But I sure am loving this set. Violet Storm. Ooh, what a name. I don't want to talk about storms. Nope. I could go all day without hearing that word. It's pretty. The names are different. I've not heard of any of these colors before. Rose gray. Sounds pretty. Looks pretty. Oh. Yeah, I like that. Oh, it's pretty. It is a muted color. A muted rose, I would say. These don't have the white stuff on them. Azalea pink. Oh. Ooh, that's pretty. I know y'all probably get tired of hearing me say, ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. They are pretty. Oh. Raspberry Rose. Have y'all ever heard of any of these names? Not even my other Brute Tuner set does not have these names like this. Which, I like that. It's different. The colors are different too, I can tell you. I already know. Carmine Rose. So, hope y'all had a happy hump day. I'm normal. I hurt. I have MS and I hurt. My nerves hurt. Everything hurts. This is a confetti. That would be the English word. That's pretty too. Oh my gosh. And they're soft. These lids are soft. They're not crumbly soft, but they are soft. This is just plain old pink. Looks like a salmon pink. But my old eyes, I don't know anymore. Salmon. Now this is salmon. No, yep. They spelt it wrong. They spelled it Solomon. S-A-L-O-M-A-N. I don't care if it's spelt wrong. I love these pencils. I got a good deal on them. This is Vibrant Orange. Vibrant Orange. That's the dog messing with her food bowl again. So I'm sorry, but she has taken up the habit of when she thinks it's time to eat, she breaks out the food bowl. I hope y'all can see this. This is Bright Marigold. Bright Marigold. I think my Sharpie's about to crap out on me. It's been through a lot of swatchings. Ooh, this one looks neon. Sharp green. See how sharp. It looks sharp. It looks highlighter color. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, they're so pretty. I'm so proud of this set. I'm going to do this one, and we'll do the other 25. Probably be back Friday. This is Blazing Yellow. I love these names. Blazing Yellow. See how blazing it is? Oh yeah, it's there. It's bright. Yeah. Okay, so I will be back in my next video, and we will do the other 25. Right now, as it stands, they're bright, they're soft, they are pastels, they've got nice names, not the same old names you always hear of. I don't know about I ain't done with my review yet. I still have to go back here on my blending pages and do blending swatches. Y'all know that, right? I can't let it go. I have to see if they blend, and so we'll see about that. I know they're soft, they're waxy, they're smooth, they glide on. So as of right now, I do like them, but they're Brutfuner. I like Brutfuner things, but even without it being, if it just was, the name it comes under is Restly, R-E-S-T-L-Y. But the pencils were made by Brutfuner, and I have not heard these names anywhere before. I've got a lot of pastel sets, okay? I got a lot of set of pencils, period. But anyway, as it stands, I do like them. I like the colors. Like I said, but you know me, I'm not gonna make my mind up till I see how they blend. I'm gonna do that. Mama's gotta do that. I can't, I'm gonna hold my opinion till then. So, that's what I'm bringing to you today. Sorry it's so late, but we're at last count. I needed 15 more people for the giveaway. So please, let's run them likes up, and let's share this puppy. That way maybe I can give them away before Christmas. That would be nice if I could. So it would make a nice Christmas present. So if you know anybody likes coloring and you want to give them a nice gift, this would be, and it would be free. You win it, it's yours. Do what you want to. So that being said, I'm going to tell y'all I love you. Until the next one, peace out. Bye.